President Trump's initial reaction to the U.S. Supreme Court decision today on Twitter, one word: wow. He had much more to say later. Chief White House correspondent John Roberts has that part of the story.
Today's Supreme Court ruling just coming out, a tremendous success, a tremendous victory for the American people and for our Constitution.
In the cabinet room with Republican members of Congress today, President Trump with praise for the Supreme Court decision on his travel ban.
We have to be tough, and we have to be safe, and we have to be secure. At a minimum, we have to make sure that we vet people coming into the country. We know who's coming in. We know where they're coming from.
The ranking member of the Senate Judiciary Committee disagreed with the president and the majority opinion. In a statement, Senator Dick Durbin saying history will not be kind to this president's policies or the Supreme Court justices who lent their names to this troubling ruling. Though the Supreme sent the case back to the lower courts for further proceedings, President Trump considers the matter settled.
Do you consider that the final word, sir?
Well, I think it's pretty much a final word. It's Supreme Court. You know, we went up and we'd win it, we'd lose it. We just waited for the Supreme Court. Yeah, that's the final word.
The decision put some much-needed wind in the president's sails. He has been battered by public outcry over the separation of families at the border. His aides hounded at restaurants and their homes. Today, he doubled down on his calls for Congress to give him what he wants to secure the southern border.
We have to change it. It's so simple. It's called, I'm sorry, you can't come in. You have to go in through a legal process. You don't have to see a judge where the judge is going to take 3 years before you can come back. In the meantime, you never come back because you're already in the country.
As he keeps up the pressure on illegal immigration, President Trump also took aim today at an American icon.
Boy, would you like to see me fall off one.
A year ago, he was praising Harley-Davidson for building its bikes in the USA. Today, he ripped them for plans to shift some production to Thailand. The president tweeting, a Harley-Davidson should never be built in another country. Never. If they move, watch. It will be the beginning of the end. They surrendered. They quit. The aura will be gone, and they will be taxed like never before. Harley-Davidson says it was the threat of retaliation to the president's trade tariffs that forced the move, and that only Harleys to be sold in Europe are affected. President Trump today insisted it had nothing to do with tariffs.
They announced it early this year, so Harley-Davidson is using that as an excuse. And I don't like that because I've been very good to Harley-Davidson, and they used it as an excuse. And I think the people that ride Harleys are not happy with Harley-Davidson, and I wouldn't be either.
Speaker of the House Paul Ryan, who shares a home state with Harley-Davidson, says he's no fan of tariffs.
I don't think tariffs are the right way to go. I think tariffs are basically taxes. And what ends up happening is you get escalating tariffs or escalating taxes.
On immigration, White House officials tell me they expect that the measure that should be before the House tomorrow likely won't go anywhere, so the next move would likely be a narrowly tailored bill to supersede the 1997 court settlement that only allows children to be held in detention with their parents for a period of 20 days. Officials say it's far less than what the president has been asking for, but a lot better than what will happen if DHS and the Border Patrol start separating families again. Brett?
John Roberts live on the North Lawn. John, thank you.